Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech with Toby. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional business email using a domain purchased through Cloudflare. I have all your emails routed directly to your personal Gmail account. It's for free. For this demonstration, I'll be using my own domain, which is stpixels.com, which I purchased through Cloudflare for just $10 per year. And using this domain, we gonna create a professional Gmail address like info or custom or uh, support at stpixel.com without paying for expensive email hosting services. And this setup is perfect for startups, freelancers, and small businesses that want to build a professional brand while keeping costs low instead of spending money on monthly business email services. So you guys can use a Cloudflare email routing to receive all your emails, uh, business emails directly to your existing Gmail inbox. So if you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly way to create a professional email for your business, you're in the right place. So let's get started. So here you guys have to navigate your domain, and then you have to click overview and click the domain. And here you guys have to uh, navigate the email. Under that, you guys can see the email routing. Once you click that, you can see kind of a dashboard on that. You guys have to add your domain, and here you can see all the DNS records. Once you submit it, so it will be shows as a syncing. So in some times, so it will be shows like it is disabled. The status is disabled. Then you guys have to configure uh, your the status. For that tab, you have to click on the designation address. And here I have already added my personal Gmail where I want to get all the Gmail emails. Uh, so see here, so you guys have to add your create routing. So once you click that, you guys can see your domain. So here you guys can add info, contact, whatever username that you need to add. So in here, in the action, so you have to click the send an email, and then the designation should be the user that I already given the designation address as my personal, and then you have to click the enable button, and it will take time to verify. Here I'm just demonstrating the Gmail that you want to receive all the emails from your business Gmail. Likewise, you guys can add in the dashboard. There's a setting. In this setting, you guys can see all the DNS records that mentioned there. So here I'm going to send an email to uh, the configured business email. So this is my another account. From here, I'm just typing info at stpixel.com, and I'm sending a test mail. So it's sent. So once So this is the designation mail that I have configured. So here you guys can see. So I just got uh, the email uh, from business email. So in this dashboard, you guys can see the activity log, how many Gmails that I have sent from which Gmail to which reception. So in reception, so it will be goes to my personal Gmail account. So guys, I hope you all understand. If you have any question, just drop a message in comment section. Until then, bye.